Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom frame from any image or shape for free. Alright, let's address the issue first. Canva actually has some image to frame or frame maker apps that can get the job done. But here's the catch. They're all paid. You need a pro subscription to use them. But don't worry, I figured out a way to do this completely free without spending a single dime. So let's jump right in. First, go to Canva and drag your image onto the design. Then remove the background, so you only keep the main shape. And finally, download it as a PNG with a transparent background. Next, head over to Photopea.com and upload this PNG. Just drag it in. Now let's start the process. Step 1. Go to Layers and right-click on the image. Then click Select Pixels. Step 2. Go to Paths and click Selection to Path. Step 3. Go to Layer, then Vector Mask, and select Current Path. After that, go to File, select Export As, then select PDF and click Save. Now go back to Canva, delete the original image, upload the PDF file, and drag in your new PDF. Then click Detach Image, remove the placeholder, and there you have it, your very own custom frame. Now you can drag and drop any picture inside the frame, and it will fit perfectly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.